Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're living with diabetes, you might sometimes feel like your food options are limited, especially when it comes to those sweet treats nature provides. Fruits. But guess what? That's not entirely true. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of fruits that you can absolutely enjoy as part of a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet. We'll explore some fantastic options, discuss why they're good choices, and most importantly, talk about how to enjoy them responsibly. Now, it's crucial to remember that everyone's body reacts differently. What works well for one person with diabetes might affect another differently. So, always listen to your body, monitor your blood sugar levels, and work closely with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. With that important note out of the way, let's explore some fantastic fruit options. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Fiber is your friend when it comes to managing blood sugar because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Plus, they're generally lower on the glycemic index compared to some other fruits. Enjoy them fresh, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, or even blend them into a smoothie. Just be mindful of portion sizes. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Well, while it's not a magic cure, apples are a great source of fiber and contain beneficial plant compounds. Choose varieties like Fuji, Gala, or Honeycrisp, and remember to eat the skin for extra fiber. Again, moderation is key. A small to medium-sized apple is usually a good portion. These zesty fruits are loaded with vitamin C and also contain fiber. Grapefruits in particular have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity in some studies. However, be cautious with grapefruit if you're on certain medications, as it can interact with them. Always check with your doctor. Enjoy a whole orange or half a grapefruit. Lemon and lime can be used to add flavor to water or meals without significantly impacting blood sugar. Pears, especially with the skin on, are another good source of fiber. They have a slightly lower glycemic index compared to some other fruits and offer a lovely sweet taste. Oh, and here's a tip. Choose ripe but firm pears and enjoy them as a healthy snack. Cherries, especially tart cherries, contain anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that may have anti-inflammatory properties. They generally have a lower glycemic index, but, portion control is still important due to their natural sugar content. Fresh or frozen cherries can be a delightful treat. Now, just because these fruits are generally considered good options doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts. Here are some crucial things to keep in mind. First, portion control is key. Even healthy fruits contain natural sugars, so stick to recommended serving sizes. Second, eat the whole fruit. Don't just drink the juice. Whole fruits contain fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. Fruit juice lacks this crucial fiber and can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Third, pair your fruit with protein or healthy fats. Combining your fruit with a handful of nuts, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a small piece of cheese can help slow down sugar absorption. Fourth, monitor your blood sugar. Pay attention to how different fruits affect your individual blood sugar levels. Keeping a food diary can be super helpful. Fifth, choose fresh or frozen fruits without added sugars or syrups. Canned fruits are often packed in sugary syrups, so it's better to avoid those. And finally, consider the glycemic index and glycemic load. While they're not the only factors, understanding these can be really helpful. Lower GI and GL foods cause a slower rise in blood sugar. Remember, this is just general information, and your individual needs may vary. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that includes fruits you enjoy in a way that supports your health goals. So, there you have it. Plenty of delicious and nutritious fruits can be part of a healthy diet when you're managing diabetes. The key is to be mindful of portion sizes, choose whole fruits, and listen to your body. What are your favorite diabetes-friendly fruits? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.